For today's project, you're going to use a Google Sheet to choose your own adventure. And then after this, we're also going to have another video that will walk you through how to take your adventure and put it into a Google slide that is interactive for viewers. So let's go ahead and get started. Directions are choose an option from the Your Choice drop down, which is right here, and then watch your story unfold in the Your Story section right here. Keep making choices until you reach the ending and just have fun. So here are our situations or our predicaments that we find ourselves in our spy mission. Number one, you're recruited as a junior spy for a top mission, and then all you have to do is come over here and choose which option you would do if you were in that situation. Decline and walk away, and then go to the next step. And then as you do this, you will unveil the story that you have. After this, go ahead to the next video and we will put our story into a Google slide that is interactive for all your viewers. Go ahead and begin this, and I'll catch you on the next video.